Here is an overview of Indiegraf Pay's minimal pricing table layout. Now, in addition to the default layout where your reader can see all the information about your tiers at a glance, you also have access to a smaller, simpler look that can be a great fit to be inserted at the end of your articles and pages. You can see this difference in the mobile view as well. The main Indiegraf Pay pricing table layout displays all the description and the features, but can take longer to scroll through, while the minimal table only shows the recurrencies, the amounts, and the continue button, so it does take up less space vertically. To switch to the minimal layout, simply toggle on the minimal layout feature at the bottom right of the pricing table settings. From here, you still have access to the pricing table settings, where you can choose the recurrencies you display and customize the button copy. By selecting styles, you also can modify the colors of different elements of the pricing table. Since this minimal layout can be a great choice for a secondary pricing table that you place in articles or in pages, you could choose to only display one recurrency. For example, you could choose to only advertise the monthly option at the end of your articles. By unselecting all the other options, you can see that the toggle has disappeared and that the pricing table occupies even less space and only shows the monthly amounts. You may notice that there is no most popular label on the minimal layout. However, the most popular tier that you choose here in Indiegraf Pay settings will still be reflected at the minimal pricing table. The way that it is highlighted is that the most popular tier you chose is the one that will be automatically pre-selected when the reader loads the page. Remember that you can choose to show or hide the custom amount on this minimal pricing table layout. To show it, make sure that the Offer Custom Amount feature is toggled on in the Indiegraf Pay settings, and that it is checked in the pricing table settings in the block itself. You can see that the custom amount now appears on the minimal pricing table layout as well.